Dito sa Lero mga idol ginamit ko si Cho bilang romang panoorin nyo hanggang dulo kung paano namin tinalos Ayla, at kapag hindi ka pa naka-follow mo na isa lang at ang mag-follow kay Guapo. Let's go!
5 seconds till
Let's go!
the
Music,
enemy
please.
reaches the battlefield.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Has been slain.
In the world of Kung Fu,
Don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me.
everybody has to start somewhere. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Has been
Put me
slain.
to the test and watch me go.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Addictive with my notes. Call me aggressive.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Life's tough. Try to get by. Life's rough. Try to do it right. It's not enough. Try to mess up.
You have slain an enemy.
For what I love. Still gonna try. I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I want it. Say I'm way too obsessed. Got nothing left.
So, that's the worst.
There yet, but those words they'll
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Killing spree.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Kapag nakaabot ka dito mga idol, salamat sa pagpanood ng aking video at God bless sa iyo idol, ingat palagi.